this morning. Hello everyone, welcome back to the CX Speed Updates here. With me, Roberto Monico Ignacio speaking here, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Mafayagoy. And today, we will be talking about a CATHAY PACIFIC Airbus A330-300 that flew and returned to Beijing. To and from Beijing. This aircraft took off at 1:11 a.m. at Hong Kong Changi Airport at the southern runway, and then landed at Beijing Capital Airport at exactly 2:51 a.m. local time, with the actual flight time of 2 hours and 40 minutes. And she took her flight number 63940 with the great circle distance for 1,987 kilometers and a ground speed of 2 kiloknots and a track of 70 degrees, as you can see there. This aircraft is registration Bravo Lima Alpha Mike, and she's also known as the B-LAM jet, or the explosion jet, because of the onomatopoeia B-LAM, which means explosion. So hopefully she stays for maintenance. So I will talk about another A330 here. So this time she actually returned from Beijing for maintenance. So this aircraft is registered as Bravo Lima Alpha X-ray, or B-LAX, because she is actually nicknamed as Los Angeles Jet because of the IATA code LAX, which means Los Angeles International Airport. This aircraft took off at Beijing Capital at 12:42 midnight and landed at Hong Kong Changi Airport at the third runway at 2:29 a.m. local time there. This aircraft took her flight number 63821 with the same great circle distance of Bravo Lima Alpha Mike and an actual flight time of 2 hours and 47 minutes, calibrated altitude of 800 feet, goes to 154 kiloknots, and a drop of 353 degrees, as you can see it here. So for the details of Bravo Lima Alpha Mike and X-ray, kindly check the previous videos about these birds. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell icon next to it. All by me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, as well as my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.